everyone. Happy Wisdom Wednesday. I hope you're all having a great day. Today's message is a bit of a marketing tip from my ortho practices. Many of you may or may not know, but I do work with multiple dental specialties. So, I do work with GP practices who are either wanting to integrate airway focused treatment, like adult expansion, MARPE, MSE, FME. Also, if you are integrating clear aligners, or maybe you're onboarding a new orthodontist. And then for my pedo offices, I am able to help with if you're wanting to introduce phase one orthodontics, maybe you're partnering up with an orthodontist as well. But today's message is really a bit of a marketing tip, and it's really geared towards my ortho practices or practices that are doing orthodontics in their office. And my favorite time to do this is right after summer. So when all the kiddos get back into school, it's a fresh school year beginning. It's a great opportunity for you to start building relationships with your local elementary schools. I do recommend targeting the elementary schools unless you're a pedo office. Then, of course, you're going to target your preschool age kiddos. Or if you're a GP or ortho and you do a lot of airway focused treatment, you might do lasering, lip tie, tongue tie, speech therapy, things like that. Then, of course, getting into the schools with the little kiddos is great. But this is a great opportunity for marketing to start building relationships with your local elementary schools. I do recommend finding a radius of about 10 miles from your office, and then that's really your starting point. So like I said, my best time to do this is right when the kids are back in school. But we're almost at the end of the year. So my second favorite time is after the Christmas winter break. It's a great opportunity for you to go back in, Happy New Year, and drop off emergency braces packets to the ladies at the office, for the nurses station, for those braces patients that might have an emergency when they're at school. A bracket came off, a wire is poking them. And so these little brush kits you can drop off. They're going to have your normal like bonding start, gifts that you're probably giving, a toothbrush, a floss threader, a little, Christmas tree, proxy brush, wax, your business card, all of those things that are super important that are probably going to help. Anyway, and then you have to give the nurse or the office ladies a little rundown of what's in there. But this is basically for the kiddo who he gets popped in the face, a wire is sticking out, maybe a bracket popped off. And it's just a comfort to, okay, let's kind of get them patched up until mom or dad can come and pick them up. And when they do that, mom or dad are going to get this great little branded marketing kit from you. So yes, they're already in treatment with another practice if they're not in treatment with you, but it's planting that seed. It's that brand awareness. So when phase two comes around, they're going to think about you because you helped their child when the other office didn't. So this is my little tip for you all today. It's really easy. It's cost effective. When you go to these offices and you're dropping off these kits, make sure you ask them if they have any upcoming events, family nights, jogathons, fall festivals, anything, an opportunity for you to be a part of that, to set up a booth and a table and have the opportunity to meet and greet and network with your local community. So I hope that that is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I would be happy to help you. But I hope you all have a great rest of the month, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.